So you want to smoke meat, but sitting out in the rain tending a fire doesn't sound like fun to you? Electric smokers are a perfect choice if you want to set it and forget it, smoker. While pellet grills also run on electricity, they are a lot more expensive and operate quite differently, so in this guide, we will be focusing on standard electric smokers that burn wood chips. We think the masterbuilt digital electric smoker is the best electric smoker for most people thanks to its excellent insulation, clever wood chip tray system, and low price. Here is the 5 best electric smokers. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share and comment. Here is number 1, Cuisinart CPG 256 Pellet Grill and Smoker. 256 SQ.in. Of cooking space, with an integrated sear zone expands your cooking capabilities: smoke, barbecue, grill, roast, sear, braise, bake, and char grill. Lightweight at 45 pounds, 24 by 18 by 15, and the locking lid with handle makes it easy to take anywhere. With a wide temperature range from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, the digital control automatically adds pellets as needed to regulate the temperature. Electronic auto start ignition, digital auto temperature control and real-time LED temperature display. Number 2, Z-Grill's ZPG 450A Pellet Grill and Smoker. Barbecue wood fire pellet grill. There isn't an easier way to get wood smoked flavors than with a pellet grill. The PID technology holds the tightest temperature possible throughout your cooking for consistent results. Perfectly sized for small households, the 450A features 452 square in of cooking space with its 180 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. Z-Grill's pellet grills will do all the work for you once you set the temperature. No labor-intensive startup. No babysitting the grill. Enjoy the cooking. Number 3, Traeger Tailgater 20 Pellet Grill and Smoker. Traeger created the original wood pellet grill as the ultimate way to achieve wood-fired taste. The Tailgater is our most capable of our portable wood pellet grills. The digital arc controller maintains a plus/minus 15 degree F temperature control to guarantee precision grilling, and a temperature range of 180 to 450 Fahrenheit. Whether it's your truck tailgate, the parking lot, out at the campsite or anywhere your travels take you, you'll never have to leave your smoke behind. A grill capacity of 300 SQ inches, and capacity for 12 burgers, 3 racks of ribs or 2 whole chickens. Number 4, Pit Boss PB 5000 SP Wood Pellet Smoker. The Pit Boss 5 Series vertical smoker offers a powerful cooking experience that's built for a true outdoorsman. Real hardwood pellet delivers flavor that is perfect for smoking fish, game, jerky, and more. With the 5 Series vertical smoker, you can smoke, roast, bake, barbecue, and braise all on one machine. Cooking temps range as low as 150 degrees Fahrenheit to as hot and fast as 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Premium features of the 5 Series vertical smoker include a more than 1,700 SQ.in of cooking capacity, 5 adjustable cooking racks, heavy gauge stainless steel construction, 55 pounds hopper capacity, large pellet view window, and 4 locking caster wheels. Number 5, Cuisinart CGG 180TS Petit Gourmet Gas Grill. 145 square inches of porcelain enameled grates give you a spacious cooking surface is able to accommodate lots of food at one time while still distributing heat evenly and efficiently. Features a 5500 BTU burner, a twist to start electric ignition and precision temperature gauge to give you the ultimate temperature control. The grill weighs only 17 pounds, making it easy for transport and ideal for decks, patios and balconies, camping, tailgating and more. Stand sets up and packs away in seconds, and features an integrated lid lock and pronounced briefcase-style carrying handle for easy and secure transport.